Hi guy, I'm Giuseppe, I work for Newlacecu. We sell air system, wigs, air station, hair pies, toupee. We are looking for influencers. Do you speak German? Do you speak English? Do you speak French? Do you speak Spanish, Italian or other language? And do you want free air system? Contact me, contact us. I let here our contact, my WhatsApp, my email, let also our e-commerce. We need influencer. You must make for us 2 videos, 10 minutes every one, or 4 video, 5 minutes every one, with of course our air system, and 30 pictures. And we send you a free air system or a free lace wig, or what do you need? Of course, in the video you must speak about air system, about Newlacecu air system, Newlacecu wigs, your life with the air system, put your face, and of course you must make a nice video. If you won't make it, if you are able to make a nice video, nice pictures, and to you, okay, put your face without and with air system, contact us and we'll send you a free air system. And if to you, okay, make different videos, we can send always for you free air system. So if to you, okay, be our influencer, and do you speak German or English or French or Spanish or Italian or Russian? Are you Russian and you speak nice Russian and you want be our influencer? Do you want to be our influencer? Contact us and we send to you free air system. We see in next video. Bye.